Thanks for tuning in, guys, to another great episode. Now, in this episode, we are going to do some spoilers. Front spoiler in the chin and one in the rear for the duck, like a ducktail spoiler. So you'll definitely need to stay tuned for this. I used like 1/8 inch steel I had laying around, and these turned out fabulous. You got to watch these and see about how you can make some spoilers in your garage. Now, I didn't go into too far of depth of how I did it, but just leave your comments and stuff below if you want to know more of how I did it. But we'll go through the footage and you'll see the end results. Make sure and stay till the end. And thanks for watching.
update here. I got the little chin spoiler piece on and we're running it through. Got her clamped up here, trying to set it up. And also we got this little, I'm gonna do some 3M tape here, and I just got like 2 little fasteners holding it down in case I want to pull it off later. And I got this little seal that's going to go around it. You're going to see after it dries, and I think it'll turn out pretty good. So let me get to rocking more on putting some fasteners in this sucker, and then I'll show you all the finished product. These fog lights turned out real good though.
Hopefully y'all liked that footage of the spoilers. I think it really turned out well in what I had imagined in my head. The little green piece, excuse me, sorry. Anyway, the little green piece that you see that's going around it is like this seal that I have, that I had laying around, that has like a locking ring inside that's metal, and it's a hard rubber. So basically what I did was, it does curves really well, and I went all the way around the edge of both spoilers to kind of hide the, the edge, but I took some of the grabber green, same green I've been using, and sprayed them, and I wasn't sure quite if it would stick or not, but it ended up working well. And as you can see, it really pulls out the color like I wanted. Kind of like the Challengers do with their little chin spoiler in the front, where people leave like the little yellow protective caps on. So it's basically the same thing. In my opinion, though, it turned out good. I'm trying to go for this like pro touring truck look, if y'all know what that is. If not, Google it and you'll kind of see what my idea is. At first I was going to make just the tailgate spoiler, just a straight flat piece. Then I was like, nah, I mean, it just looked too basic. You know, let's try to do something a little different, stand out-ish. So I was like, well, you know, let's just cut it like they do with the little ducktail, kind of like Challenger setup. I've seen them on some Mustangs. So anyway, I think it turned out pretty good, and you know, we'll see how well it holds up. So far so good. Been driving around, been on the interstate, it's been working. So hopefully y'all like this video. Make sure and comment below, and if you haven't already, hit the bell icon, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. If you watch YouTube, you know what to do. So anyway, thanks y'all for subscribing, thanks y'all for watching all the way to this far, and until next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet.